So this is my audience. 1, 2, 3,
Hi.
4. Okay, I'm going to set this here. Okay. My name is Shelby Garcia, and today I'm going to be giving an informative speech and giving you further information on the topic of a Juul pen. So, many of you might want to know, what exactly is a Juul? A Juul is a type of e-cigarette, and an e-cigarette is a battery-powered device. These devices convert liquid into vapor, which you then inhale. These devices provide nicotine like a regular cigarette, but without the tobacco and burning of carcinogens found in cigarettes. This is why this is thought to be a better alternative than smoking cigarettes. So these Juuls have been on the market for about 2 years, and as of today, their popularity is rising. The product was created as an alternative to smoking with hopes to help people quit smoking. And the manufacturers say that they created and designed these Juul pens to mimic the physical and sensory experience of cigarettes without the Juul actually looking like a cigarette, with hopes to break the habit. So this is what an actual Juul pen looks like. And as you will see, it doesn't look like a cigarette. Scoot up so that you can see it. So this is actually, it's made of 2 parts. This part is the battery, and this part is the pod, which also acts as the mouthpiece. So this device is battery operated, and you can plug it in to charge it. And so the Juul works by having the e-liquid cartridge. You stick it into the battery, and then you just inhale like a cigarette. Again, the Juul is rechargeable, and it comes with a USB charger that you can pop into any charging port or laptop. The Juul device heats up the cartridge that contains the oils to create a vapor, which dissolves quickly into the air. So many people often ask, do Juuls contain nicotine? And this is often the greatest misconception. If you ask our youth of today, the most current users of this product, if it has nicotine, most of them will probably tell you no. A lot of the youth think that they're just inhaling flavor, but in fact, it does provide nicotine.
It does?
It does. The Juul, a single Juul cartridge is roughly 1 pack of cigarettes.
Wow.
And so if you see in this photo, that's what the cartridges look like. And when they're sold in the store, it comes with 4 cartridges. So one of these acts as 1 pack of cigarettes, or it is also equivalent to 200 puffs of a cigarette. So they do also contain nicotine, like I said, which is the greatest misconception about this product. So a lot of times people are saying that these e-cigarettes or these Juul pens are a better alternative to smoking, when in fact it's the same act of intaking nicotine. So where can you get one? Juuls are often found at supermarkets and convenience stores. So they're not hard to find. The pouch or the cartridges that are sold sell for about $20 each container. Yes, so they are not very cheap. And so again, people wonder, is a Juul a better alternative? While people may say, well, at least I'm not smoking a cigarette, The truth is, using an e-cigarette has been shown to increase the likelihood of smoking cigarettes in youth or the users of these devices. And young adults who use e-cigarettes are more than 4 times as likely to begin smoking tobacco cigarettes within 18 months as their peers who do not use these devices. So they are also highly addictive, like cigarettes are. So what's the appeal? Being that people know that these things are bad for them, why are our youth continuing to do these things? Well, a lot of people think that the appeal is the design and the way they look. So the way that they look does not look like a cigarette. This isn't something that you think you could get caught using because of the way it looks. So the design is created to look like a USB flash drive, which is easy to conceal if necessary. And another appeal that is actually probably unintentional by the producers is that the Juul has different flavors. So while the manufacturers say that the Juul is only for adults, these flavors come in Cool Mint, Fruit Medley, and Creme Brulee, which are proven to appeal to the young people and facilitate initiation of tobacco use, product use. So although the producers probably did not think that this would be affecting the youth like it is, they did think it would be a better alternative to the current smokers. It in fact is leading to more of our youth becoming smokers. So this was my informative speech over my Juuls. Anybody have any questions? Anybody have any questions?
How old do you have to be to buy a Juul? Is it the same as cigarettes? Or?
You have to be 18 years old to buy a Juul. However, to purchase a Juul online from their website, in certain states you have to be 21 years old. So it differs from place to place. But here you have to be 18.
Can you buy those Juuls at the pharmacy?
You can buy them at any convenience store, or like Walgreens has them. Sell cigarettes is now sell. Yeah.
Selling place.
And if you didn't know what it was, you can see it and not really think twice.
Yeah.
So.
You said they have about as much nicotine as a pack of cigarettes in one of those little cartridges?
Yes, in one of these.
Do you know if a cartridge lasts as long as a pack of cigarettes would?
So it just said that in the research that I did, it just said that you can get 200 puffs out of one. So I guess it depends on how quickly you might go through a pack of cigarettes. But it just said that one cartridge is equal
If you
to...
get terribly addicted, you can do 4.
Yeah.
And you go by why faster.
Is there a penalty if the kids are caught with them? Under
Well,
18?
Not really.
Then what's...
Yeah, it's kind of like when I was in high school, if you got caught with like a tobacco product and you were under 18, it would get confiscated, and that's pretty much it. So, anyways,
cool.
Thank you all. I hope to have furthered your knowledge.
Well, thank
On
you
this
so much
topic.
because I was about to start smoking.
Thank you.